Okay, so I'm using my eyeglass case as my like tripod or whatever. As you can see, I'm in the car or whatever. But I want to talk to you guys. You know, you guys like a little update. I said little update. What I'm trying to say. So recently, not recently, but I've like never shared this on my channel, but I've been on a health journey for like the last like 2 or 3 years. And I say I'm on a health journey, and by this I mean like trying to eat healthier, exercise consistently. I want to like make like a lifestyle. I don't want to die. I want to make like healthy living like as a lifestyle. I want it to be a lifestyle. It makes any kind of sense. I don't want to diet. So I was just like, one day I was like, yo, like God only gave me one body. Like I want to make sure I take good care of it. He only gave us one body. I really want to take good care of it. On top of that, when I get older, I don't want to have as many health issues. I don't want to make me like, dang, like if I would have been consistent with working out or eating healthier, I don't have to take medicine for this, or I don't have to have surgery for this, or stuff like that, like high blood pressure, stuff like that. That runs in my family, and I don't want the cycle to like continue, or I don't want it to continue to repeat itself. That makes any kind of sense. So I've just been, it's been like a struggle, honestly, because I have like a sugar addiction. And this sugar addiction has caused me, I think I have hormonal acne. If you haven't noticed, like I'm mainly breaking out around my chin. I've done my research, and it does sound like I have hormonal acne. I think the best way to clear up hormonal acne is pretty much like your dieting. I think it plays a big part in that. There are things that you shouldn't eat when you are going through or you are battling through hormonal acne, and sugar is one of them. And my sugar addiction is just crazy. Like I don't know what's going on with me. It's like I can't go like a day or so without eating sugar, like chocolate, stuff like that. And of course it causes weight gain, causes my skin to be crazy, causes fatigues, mood swings, stuff like that. Because too much sugar is bad for you. But honestly, too much for anything is bad for you. And, I've been trying things like just trying to get more into fruits and stuff like that, and veggies like avocados. Trying to eat like fruit a day, like eat some fruit a day, every day, or I'm trying to incorporate greens and fruit every day. I'm trying to incorporate them into my meals, everyday meals or whatever. But it's kind of hard, and it was easier for me to do this when I was working at a grocery store. But it's kind of hard it was also hard for me to stay away from the sweets because I didn't have access to sweets and stuff like that as well. So it's kind of like tit for tat, or I used to get me an air fryer, so I've been trying to like. At one point I was consistently air frying stuff. I think I just got burnt out on eating the same stuff. And I don't want to eat the same stuff. Like, I like trying new stuff. Don't get me wrong, I like trying new stuff. Sometimes, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I used to get burnt out eating the same stuff, honestly. Like, I don't know. But, yeah, as far as that goes, I've been trying to eat healthier. I've been thinking, like, I had matcha powder from Amazon, Nutritional Yeast from Amazon. Now I love the matcha powder because I've been making like matcha green iced lattes. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a Starbucks drink. I'm making it like it's really good, and it gives me like a lot of energy to get throughout the day. And for sugar, instead of putting like regular sugar in there, I put stevia or whatever it's called. It's supposed to be like a healthier alternative for sugar or whatever. I tried nutritional yeast because I was trying to lay off of like dairy. I have switched from regular milk to almond milk, which I love. I really love almond milk now. But the thing is, the nutritional yeast, I can't get into it. It's because it's like an extremely cheddary taste. I just can't get into it. Oh, excuse me if you can't hear me because there's some cars, I'm parked somewhere, so there are cars and stuff like that. But yeah, I just can't get into like the nutritional yeast stuff. I just can't. But I think that's all I have to say about like the healthy eating part. I'm gonna move on to like the working out part. Now, the working out part is kind of hard for me because right now I feel like I'm in a season of isolation, and I feel like it's harder to work out when you're by yourself versus working out with groups of people. Like not even anything like extreme, like even like walking. Like I was walking to take better care of myself, like to keep my weight in check, and to also just exercise and get my body moving and going. I felt really good when I was like consistently walking or whatever by myself. But I do get kind of bored sometimes because it's like I'm by myself. And I really want to do I wouldn't mind doing home workouts, but I don't know if I want to do workouts I just get irritated when it comes to just workouts geared towards certain areas of my body. I just find it extremely overwhelming. It's like, okay, when do I do this? When do I do that? I just find it just overwhelms me. Having a workout schedule, I have to target certain areas. It's just extremely overwhelming to me for some reason. So I'm like, I'm just gonna look like cardio and stuff like that. Because at first I was gonna run, but I was like, nah. I worry too much about people think about me, and I feel like running just gonna draw attention to myself, even though it's my health. But sometimes it's just I get burnt out on doing the same stuff. Even though I do get annoyed with doing home workouts. That makes any kind of sense. Like I don't know what to do. Another thing I've talked to you guys about, like my struggle with body image issues. I don't want to obsess over the way that I look, and sometimes I find myself beating myself up. I have moments in time where I just eat like really trash, and I find myself just having a hard time getting back on track, like whether it be healthy eating or just exercise. And I find myself having a hard time sometimes. Like I'm having a hard time to stay consistent when it comes to working out and eating healthy at the same time. That makes any kind of sense. Like there are moments where I do it, everything's going good, then I fall off track, and then it's hard for me to get back up. If that makes any kind of sense. Pretty much what's been going on. And if I am doing lose weight, I want to make sure I'm losing weight I want to take better care of myself for the right reasons. Like I don't want to be like, okay, yeah, I'm more attractive now since I've lost weight. Because honestly, I feel like it's like the more weight I gain, the more unattractive I feel. Honestly, really, like honestly, just gonna be extremely transparent here. I talked about this in my body image issues, my struggle. I will link that down somewhere, but yeah, that's pretty much how my health journey is going. If you have any tips or anything like that, please leave them down below. Oh, and also I try to limit the amount of like I'm still drinking sugar, but I'm trying to limit the amount of like soda and stuff that I drink as well. I try to drink only water, and that's been going okay, but sometimes I have a hard time being consistent with just doing that. Just not drinking enough water throughout the day. So that's pretty much how my health journey is going. I think that's all I have to say about this. I'm really excited to share this part of me, this part of my life with you guys, because it's like health is wealth, period, poo. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, comments, thoughts, please leave them down below. Tips and things that will help me. I really appreciate it, and bye. Love you guys.